ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു പി എസ് സി ഇൻസൈറ്റ്. ഇന്ന് നമ്മളിവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് കേരള പി എസ് സി 2020 നടത്തിയ ട്രെയിനിങ് ഇൻസ്ട്രക്ടർ പ്ലംബിംഗ് ഫോർ SC ഡെവലപ്മെൻറ്റ് ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റിലേക്കുള്ള ചോദ്യപേപ്പറും അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ കീയുമാണ്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കോഡ് 7/2020. മെക്കാനിക്കൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ്, സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് തുടങ്ങിയ വിഭാഗത്തിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ് ഈ ചോദ്യപേപ്പറിൽ ഉൾപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഒന്നാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം നോക്കാം. വാട്ട് സേഫ്റ്റി ഡിവൈസ് വിൽ യു യൂസ് ടു പ്രൊട്ടക്റ്റ് യുവർ സെൽഫ് വൈൽ ചിപ്പിംഗ്? ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ഗോഗിൾസ്. 2. വൈ ദ വുഡൻ ടോപ്പ് യൂസ്ഡ് ഓൺ എ വർക്ക് ബെഞ്ച്? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ അബ്സോർബ് ഷോക്സ്. 3. വിച്ച് സേഫ്റ്റി പ്രിക്കോഷൻ not associated with the use of hammer? Option D, use hammer instead of any other tool. 4. Protect from electric shock, which device used? Option D, rubber hand gloves. 5. To protect from the eyes from rays of arc should use? Option B, hand screen. 6. Which provide on the point of scriber to prevent accident? Option A, cork. 7. Where whitewash use on the job? Option B, rough surface. 8. Which tool used to scribe lines to indicate dimension on the workpiece? Option C, scriber. 9. State the tool used for scribing lines parallel to datum surface. Option A, surface gauge. 10. Point angle of a prick punch is? Option A, 30 degree. 11. How to specify dividers? Option A, joint and length. 12. State the angle of tri-square. Option D, 90 degree. 13. Least count of a metric outside micrometer is? Option A, 0.01 mm. 14. Name the tool used to measure outside diameter of a pipe. Option C, outside caliper. 15. The included angle of a twist drill bit. Option C, 118 degree. 16. File guard are used for the removal of? Option A, suspended matters from the file. 17. Hand tabs are used to form the thread on? Option A, internal threads. 18. Socket is also one of the device of their? Option B is the right answer, drill holder. 19. External thread are cut by? Option B, die. 20. Mortise chisel is a? Option A, cutting tool. 21. Which tool is used for extracting nails? Option B, claw hammer. 22. Length of crosscut saw is? Varies from? Option D, 600 to 650 mm. 23. Name the tool to measure the surface level of small area. Option A, spirit level. 24. GI pipe socket are designated by? Option C, nominal bore of pipe for which it is meant. 25. Lead pipe and copper pipe are cut easy with? Option B, pipe cutter. 26. PVC pipes are manufactured by using? Option D, polyvinyl chloride. 27. In hot water line, which color code is used? ഇവിടെ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഓപ്ഷൻസ് ഒന്നും ഇതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ അല്ല, അതുകൊണ്ട് PSC ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യുകയാണ് ഉണ്ടായത്. 28. Spun pipe cast iron are manufactured by using? Option A, metal mold. 29. Pipe wrench is used for pipes of diameter. Option B, 15 to 20 mm. 30. T is used for option A, branch off at 90 degree. 31. Every pipe bender will have option B, inner former. 32. Mortar pan is used for option D, carry excavated material. 33. Compressive strength of any individual brick, option C, shall not be less than 80% of the specified strength. 34. Cement concrete is option C, good in compression. 35. While hand mixing of cement concrete, option B, cement and sand are first mixed. 36. Which tool is used for earth excavation, mixing mortar and mixing concrete? Option A, spade. 37. What type of bond is used for constructing curve and footing of foundation? Option B, header bond. 38. What is used for to binding stone, brick, etc.? Option B, mortar. 39. To check straightness of brick masonry and plaster, dash is used. Option A, straight edge. 40. Water absorption percentage of good brick of its own weight is option D, not more than 20%. 41. Solder is an alloy of option A, lead and tin. 42. What type of flux is used for soldering copper sheet, brass sheet and tin plates? Option B, zinc chloride. 43. In torch bracing, heat is applied by option A, oxyacetylene flame. 44. Which gases are used for cutting of steel and heating purpose only? Option A, oxyacetylene gas flame. 45. Melting point of lead is option C, 327 degree Celsius. 46. Which tongs are used for holding round rod horizontally? Option C, hollow tongue. 47. The head of soldering iron is made up of option B, forged copper. 48. Which nut are used light duty assembly which require frequent removal and fixing? Option C, wing nut. 49. Soft solder are used for soldering whose melting point is option D, less than 450 degree Celsius. 50. Which welding process preferred by weld thick plate? Option D, submerged arc welding. 51. Dash are defined as fitting at the end of soil pipe of waste pipe to prevent gases coming out of waste pipe. Option B, trap. 52. Dash is caused by fault in the trap or plumbing installation and water on the floor would be apparent. Option A, leakage. 53. The length along the center of the pipe and fitting. Option D, developed length. 54. The lowest portion of the inside of any pipe or conduit that is not vertical. Option C, invert. 55. A valve permitted a liquid or gas to flow in one direction. Option D, check valve. 56. It is added to water to reduce salinity. തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഓപ്ഷൻസിൽ ആൻസർ ഇല്ല, അതുകൊണ്ട് ഈ ചോദ്യം ക്യാൻസൽഡ് ആണ്. 57. In sanitary fitting, the symbol given stands for option C, gate valve. 58. Solder for portable water pipe shall be dash free. Option B, lead free. 59. The liquid waste from kitchens, bathrooms and wash basins is not cold. Option B, sewage. 60. A pipe installed in the house or building drainage to prevent that water seal or trap. Option D, anti-siphonage pipe. 61. The disposal of sewage into natural water courses such as streams, rivers, sea and lake is known as option B, disposal by dilution. 62. The bacteria which exist under dark and stagnant conditions in the absence of oxygen are known as option D, anaerobic bacteria. The symbol given stands for option A, elbow. 64. Dash is a form of ball valve used to control the flow of a liquid or gas. Option C, stopcock. 65. Dash is an inspection chamber in drainage system. Option B, manhole. 66th question. Which of the following is used in toilet under water closet? Option B, strap. 67. Effluent quality control is typically aimed at options: public health protection, prevention of eutrophication, promotion of water reuse and all of these. Answer is option D, all of these. 68. Dash forces non-toxic artificially created smoke through waste and drain pipes under a slight pressure to find leak. Option C, smoke test. 69. If water flowing through a tap or valve is suddenly arrested, it will produce a noise like hammering and it is known as option D, water hammer. 70. The most commonly used disinfectant for sterilization of water is option A, chlorine. 71. Groundwater is usually free from option B, suspended impurities. 72. Closed impeller type of centrifugal pump is largely used for pumping water supplies because option A, efficiency is high. 73. The driving motor is placed below the pump bowl in a option C, submersible pump. 74. The pump suitable for lifting water from very deep tube wells of the order of 100 to 150 meter deep is option D, airlift pump. 75. The pump which is not a kinetic energy pump is option A, rotary pump. 76. At what frequency maintenance works are be carried in water heater? Option B, 6 months. 77. The distance between manhole and gully chambers should not exceed option C, 6 meter. 78. Waste fittings for wash basin shall be of nominal side option A, 32 mm. 79. The minimum height between the top of the water closet pan and underside of the high level flashing cistern is option B, 125 cm. 80. The trap which prevent the self siphonage is option A, anti-D trap. 81. How much is the average quantity of sewage per capita per day? ഇതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഓപ്ഷൻസിലില്ല, അതുകൊണ്ട് ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ക്യാൻസൽഡ് ആണ്. 82. What is the instrument is used while conducting air test in a pipe? Option A, manometer. 83. How much is the weight of 15 mm CP pillar tap? Option A, 650 gram. 84. Which side of the mixing tap hot water line to be connected? Option B, left side. 85. Pop-up waste is the replacement of what? Option A, rubber plug of chain. 86. Dash is an appliance for heating water in bathroom. Option B, geyser. 87. Which one of the following receives human excreta directly from the user? Option C, water closet. 88. The minimum horizontal distance between a groundwater well and septic tank should be option A, 15 meter. 89. Dash pump is used for pumping sewage. Option C, centrifugal pump. 90. The slope provided for self-cleaning velocity to 150 mm diameter drain pipe is option B, 1:60. 91. Important part of water closet is option C, trap. 92. SWH means solar water heating. 93. The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 pound of water through 1 degree Fahrenheit at sea level is option C, BTU. 94. Dash is the energy in transmit from one matter of body to another due to temperature difference. Option A, heat. 95. Dash is the degree of hotness and coldness of a body. Option B, temperature. 96. Specific heat of water is. തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഓപ്ഷൻസിൽ റൈറ്റ് ആൻസർ ഇല്ല. ശരിയായ ഉത്തരം 4200 ജൂൾ പെർ kilogram degree Celsius. 97. In passive heating system, water is circulated in the loop naturally due to dash action. Option B, thermosiphon action. 98. How to prevent algae growth in overhead tank? Option D, by using copper sulfate. 99. Rotary pumps are easily repaired. Why? Because it has no valve. Option A. Last question. 100. What remedy is carried out while spindle of valve rotate continuously? Option A, change the spindle. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ 100 ചോദ്യങ്ങളും ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞു. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ വീഡിയോ പ്രയോജനപ്രദമായെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക് യു.